Getting the life boat out.
Getting the lifeboat out.
For the big water crossing today.
The water today.
Alright, so this morning we had quite the challenge. If you guys didn't know about this, my dad and I actually had to get a B1 visa to get back into the US after the Caribbean in about a week. We had no idea until maybe 5 days ago. When we crossed Bellingham, the officer there told us, if you go internationally, you have to get a visa to come back into the US on a private plane. So, long story short, at 7 a.m., the US Embassy, and we went there, stayed there for 5 hours, my dad and I, and got the visa. We got a 10-year B1 visa for the US, so now we're all set. That's just amazing. I can't believe we got it so fast. We literally got there, and an hour and a half later, we had the visa. So it was incredible, and everybody knew that we were the Epic crew, World Tour crew that was coming to the embassy, and they knew everything that they had to get for us. So it was a really good experience. We just had to wait a long time to actually get there, but once we got there and talked to the people, it was all super fast. So this is amazing. Like we actually have the visa now, and we're gonna be able to finish our trip, because we were doubting if we were able to actually finish on time in 84 days, because if we didn't have the visa, we'd have to wait in some Caribbean helipad with the heli for like a couple of days until we got the visa approved, right? But we got it so fast, I mean, like an hour and a half, 2 hours, and we have the visa now. So we're all set. So let's go. I'm super pumped. Let's go. But the rush is on, guys. We have to get to Costa Rica in time so that the storm that's supposed to come into the country in the afternoon doesn't hit us. We just got a chop. We're supposed to leave at 1 and it's already 12:45 and we're still here. We need to go to the airport to get the papers done. So it's just a hurry now. We just need to get as fast as possible to Costa Rica before the weather and the fog and the low-hanging clouds set in. So yeah, let's go.
thanks.